How to add an admin to your Instagram account. What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add an admin on your Instagram account. First thing, I'm just going to open up my Instagram, and once you go to your Instagram, what you need to do is go ahead and click on your profile. So I'm just going to click on my profile section right here. Now I'm going to tap on the settings, and from here I'm just going to go ahead and open my settings and privacy. Once you open up your settings and privacy, you need to click on profiles and see all of your connected profiles. So you must have a Facebook connected to your account center for this. Now what you need to do is all controls is on your Facebook business suite. Go ahead and click on business.facebook.com. And if you want to add any Instagram accounts on your page, you just have to tap on the settings option right here. And once you get to your settings, get to accounts, click on the drop down, click on Instagram accounts, and from here you just click on add. So it will ask you to claim an Instagram account, so just click on I agree and then click on claim Instagram account. Now you will just have to first log in with your Instagram account right here. Once you log in, this Instagram account will be the admin for your Facebook page. And once you do that, you can also add other Instagram accounts to help you manage your page. So that is pretty much it. If you found this helpful, I'll see you guys on the next one.